X-ray grade. Prepare the necessary unpacking tools before installation. Gloves, flat screwdriver, pliers, hammer. Confirm receipt information. Use your own unpacking tool and remove the sealing screws. Check the packing list to confirm if the product and the information are complete. Remove the protective film. Open it according to the label prompts. View product labels and confirm product parameters. Remove the product that needs to be installed. Grasp with both hands. Prevent falling damage when installing. The side marked with the tube facing towards the tube. Non-reversible placement. Do not press hard. Align the center line with the X-ray center line. Expose and confirm image quality high clarity. Installation successful.